In this video, I want to demonstrate how the improved cavity technology works. This is improved technology which is already called the RGB cavity. First, you need to make sure that the RGB cavity function is enabled. To do this, go to the Edit tab, Preference, go to the Tool section, and select Use RGB Cavity as the default cavity calculation method. OK, after enabling the function, go to the Texture tab, then select the Calculate Curvature. In order for the map to be baked, you need to wait a bit. Now we can see how a cavity map RGB appeared in the layers. Now we see that in the new technology the map looks like a lot of color. The map must be closed by default. Now let's create Smart Material to see how it works. I want to focus on a new spin edit whose icons looks like a vase. This spin edit did not exist before, and it is with this spin edit that the update function is configured. The cavity function works on roundings. The footy spin edit will be active only on such tips as more on concave, more on convex, less on concave, less on convex, more on flat, and more on curved. You can use any of these modes. The new parameter is responsible for the radius RGB cavity. It is also affected by degree and contrast adjustments.